Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best paper 9x12ft drop cloth. A must-have product that's quickly becoming an essential for painters, DIYers, movers, and even event decorators. Whether you're tackling a big painting project or just trying to keep your furniture safe from dust and debris, this product promises convenience, reliability, and peace of mind. Let's start with the basics. This drop cloth comes in a pack of 10. That's right, 10 individual plastic sheets, each measuring 9 by 12 feet. That gives you a total of over 1,000 square feet of coverage. The plastic is lightweight yet durable enough to handle everyday tasks like painting, covering furniture, or protecting floors during remodeling jobs. It's the kind of product you don't think you need until you do, and then you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. One of the biggest benefits of this drop cloth is its waterproof and dustproof design. When you're painting indoors or outdoors, spills and splatters are inevitable. With these sheets, you're not just protecting surfaces, you're saving hours of cleanup time. They form a reliable barrier that keeps water, paint, dust, and grime from penetrating through to your floors, furniture, or carpet. That's huge for renters, homeowners, and professionals alike. Another standout feature is how easy it is to use. Each cloth unfolds quickly and can be spread over large objects like couches, beds, tables, or even walls. And because it's disposable, you don't need to worry about folding it back up, washing it, or storing it away. Once you're done, just roll it up and toss it out. That makes it incredibly convenient for quick paint jobs or one-time events like parties or renovations. Even if you're not a painter, you'll find a dozen uses for these sheets. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about build quality. Despite being thin and disposable, this drop cloth doesn't tear easily. It's designed to be tear-resistant under normal use, and you won't find yourself patching holes or doubling up just to get the protection you need. That makes it especially handy for folks who don't want to mess around with bulky, heavy-duty tarps that are difficult to manage. Transport and storage are also a breeze. The entire 10-pack comes folded in a compact package, so you can keep it in your car, your toolbox, or a storage closet without taking up much space. It's ideal for contractors who want to keep extras on hand, or homeowners who like being prepared for the unexpected. The best paper 9x12ft drop cloth is a budget-friendly, versatile, and highly practical solution for anyone looking to keep surfaces clean and protected. It's simple, efficient, and most importantly, it does exactly what it promises. If you've been on the fence about buying disposable drop cloths, this one is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next review. Got a product you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.